Have you ever looked at your bank account balance at the end of the month and felt underwhelmed? You've been diligently saving, building up that emergency fund or stash for a big purchase, but when you look at the interest you've earned, it's a number so small it's almost invisible. It's like your money is just sitting there, losing value to inflation, doing absolutely nothing for you. For the longest time, the solution was to put your money into a fixed deposit. Better returns, right? But then you face the problem of lock-in periods. What if you need that money sooner than you thought? Or you could chase high-yield savings accounts, but that means a monthly dance of crediting your salary, hitting minimum spending on your credit card, and setting up all sorts of convoluted transactions, just to earn a decent rate. It's a financial juggling act that most of us just don't have the time or energy for. This is where cash management accounts stepped in, promising a simple, better way to save. And one of the most popular names in this space is StashAway Simple. It's been lauded for its ease of use, no strings attached policy, and attractive projected returns. But, as with anything in the world of finance, a big question lingers in the back of everyone's mind: how much does StashAway Simple actually charge? Let's get straight to the point. The short and transparent answer is that StashAway Simple has a two-part fee structure, but it's far simpler than you might think. The first part is the StashAway management fee, which is a flat 0.15% per annum. The second part is a fee charged by the underlying fund managers. This is not a fee that StashAway controls or profits from. It's an expense ratio charged by the funds themselves, and it's typically around 0.14% per year. Now, here's the really important part. The one that makes StashAway Simple so easy to understand, the projected rate you see on their website and in the app. For example, a projected rate of 3.8% per annum is already net of all fees. This means when StashAway says you can earn a projected 3.8%, that's what you're working with. You don't have to subtract the fees yourself. They've already done the math for you. So, how do these fees get charged? They are not taken out as a lump sum at the end of the year. Instead, they are calculated and charged monthly as a small percentage of your average daily portfolio value. For instance, if you had an average of $10,000 in your account for a month, you'd be charged a fraction of that 0.15% annual fee. This prorated approach makes the fees almost unnoticeable. But perhaps the most attractive part of the StashAway Simple fee structure is what they don't charge you for. There are no sales charges, no upfront fees to open an account, and no fees to set up a portfolio. There are also no lock-in periods and, crucially, no withdrawal fees. You can pull your money out whenever you want without being penalized, and you won't incur a charge for transferring it between your other StashAway portfolios either. In essence, the fees for StashAway Simple are minimal, transparent, and completely baked into the projected return you're shown. They offer a no-fuss, no-frills way to grow your cash with a high degree of flexibility. When you compare this to the hoops you have to jump through for a high-yield savings account or the rigid lock-ins of a fixed deposit, StashAway Simple's small fee is a worthwhile cost for a much smarter and simpler solution for your idle cash. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.